Welcome! In this video, we will cover how a Field Central user would create a multi-bid estimate template to provide several service options to their customers. Do you want to offer your customers a few different proposals to choose from? The multi-bid functionality gives you the ability to offer your customers multiple options to select from. By creating a multi-bid template, you create a model that can be used to quickly create customer-specific multi-bid estimates. It helps you quickly create estimates that you commonly send to your customers. For example, seasonal agreements with bronze, silver, or gold packages, service options, mow, trim, blow versus mow, trim, blow, and prune, and many more. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the settings page either via the main menu or the quick access panel. Select Estimate Templates. Below the Estimate Templates section, users will see Multi-Bid Templates. To create a new multi-bid template, click the green plus button on the right-hand side labeled Add New Template. In the Add New Template window, the user will provide the desired multi-bid group name. Note, for better estimate or contract management, it is recommended to include multi-bid within the entered group name. Example would be multi-bid seasonal agreements or multi-bid service options. Use the green plus button to select which pre-existing estimate templates you would like to include in this multi-bid template. Continue to add as many existing templates using the green plus button until satisfied. Utilize the preferred checkbox to identify if there is a preferred or most popular estimate template within the multi-bid template. Once satisfied with all selections, click Save. The user will now see their newly created multi-bid template within the Estimate Templates section of Settings. To create another multi-bid template, click the green plus button and continue with the previously outlined process. Ready to give it a go? Be sure to set up your multi-bid templates the next time you log into Field Central and begin capitalizing on this functionality.